Have you ever found yourself sending out prayers, those heartfelt messages to the universe, only to feel like your words are lost in the vast emptiness? It's a frustrating and disheartening experience, isn't it? Well, guess what? You're not alone. Many of us have been there, questioning why it feels like we're talking to thin air. But today, I've got something extraordinary for you, something that goes beyond the usual Sunday sermon material. I stumbled upon a prayer technique, a secret formula for attracting precisely what you want. Brace yourself because, my friend, this technique is a game changer. If you've ever felt that your prayers could use a boost, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll discover a transformative approach that might just revolutionize the way you connect with the universe. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the go-to place for life-changing techniques and ideas. Today's topic is something special, a prayer technique that has been followed for thousands of years. It's a timeless gem, a profound method that can truly revolutionize the way you engage in the cosmic conversation. So if you've ever felt that your prayers were missing that extra spark, or if you're curious about unlocking the full potential of your connection with the universe, you're in the right place. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for a positive change, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our transformative content. All right, let's jump into it, the ultimate prayer technique that could turn your life around. Are you ready to discover the secrets that might just make your prayers more powerful than ever? Let's do this. Exploring the transformative prayer technique through the wisdom of Bob Proctor, a luminary in the domains of personal development and the law of attraction, uncovers a rich synthesis of principles intricately woven into his teachings. Central to this transformative approach is the principle of gratitude, a cornerstone in Proctor's philosophy. With an unwavering emphasis on the power of a positive mindset, Proctor contends that gratitude plays a pivotal role in shaping our reality. Actively appreciating the current blessings in our lives, as outlined in the first step of the technique, becomes a gateway to initiating a profound vibrational shift in consciousness. This aligns seamlessly with Proctor's fundamental teaching that like attracts like. By fostering an attitude of gratitude, we resonate with positive energy, creating a magnetic pull for more of what we desire. Transitioning to the second step, clarifying desires with confidence, parallels Proctor's teachings on goal setting and the law of attraction. Proctor is a staunch advocate for setting clear, vivid goals that extend beyond surface-level aspirations, tapping into the depths of our true desires. The shift from desperation to confidence mirrors Proctor's core philosophy, asserting that our level of belief is intricately connected to our ability to manifest desires. Expressing gratitude for positive outcomes yet to manifest becomes a poignant technique in Proctor's toolkit. He encourages individuals to live as if their desires have already materialized, guiding them to align their energy with the frequency of their aspirations, fostering an environment ripe for manifestation. The third step introduces continuous confident action, a principle deeply ingrained in Bob Proctor's teachings. Acting as if the universe has already acknowledged our desires and confidently anticipating blessings resonates with Proctor's emphasis on belief and expectancy as critical components of successful manifestation. The mantra, "It's this or something better," encapsulates Proctor's broader philosophy, urging practitioners to remain open to unexpected opportunities and acknowledging that the universe might have a grander plan for us than we can envision. This resonates with Proctor's teachings about maintaining a mindset of receptivity, openness, and a profound belief in the abundance of possibilities. In essence, this transformative prayer technique, when viewed through the lens of Bob Proctor, emerges as a holistic and profound approach to harmonizing thoughts, desires, and actions with the universal laws governing manifestation. It encapsulates the very essence of Proctor's teachings, guiding individuals on a transformative journey toward unlocking their boundless potential. Stepping into a state of gratitude, confidently defining true desires, and maintaining a proactive, expectant stance toward the universe become integral elements in this transformative process. These elements, hallmarks of the Proctorian approach, not only pave the way for personal growth, but also serve as a pathway to manifesting a life of abundance and fulfillment. Divine Creator, I approach you with a heart full of gratitude for the blessings that grace my life. I thank you for the abundance that surrounds me, recognizing that life itself is a gift, not a mere transaction. In this moment, I express sincere thanks for the goodness already present, creating a vibrational shift in my consciousness. As I continue on this transformative journey, I clarify my deepest desires with unwavering confidence. I set clear, vivid goals that extend beyond immediate wants, tapping into the profound reservoir of my true aspirations. I express gratitude for positive outcomes yet to manifest, living as if my desires have already materialized. In doing so, I align my energy with the frequency of my aspirations, creating a magnetic force for manifestation. With continuous confident action, I act as if the universe has already acknowledged my desires, confidently anticipating the blessings that are on their way. I embrace the mantra, "It's this or something better," remaining open to unexpected opportunities, recognizing that your divine plan for me may be more expansive than my own vision. In this sacred space of gratitude, confidence, and continuous action, I step into the boundless potential you have granted me. I maintain a mindset of receptivity, openness, and unwavering belief in the abundance of possibilities. May this prayer serve as a channel for transformative energy, aligning me with the universal laws governing manifestation. Amen. Now that you've delved into the transformative prayer technique through the lens of Bob Proctor, it's time to put these principles into practice. Begin by incorporating gratitude into your daily life, actively appreciating the blessings that surround you. Take a moment to clarify your deepest desires with confidence, setting clear and vivid goals that resonate with your true aspirations. Embrace continuous confident action, acting as if the universe has already acknowledged your desires. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. How has this transformative prayer technique influenced your mindset and actions? Your journey may inspire others on their path to personal growth and abundance. Don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable and subscribe for more content that empowers your journey. Thank you for joining us on this transformative exploration inspired by the teachings of Bob Proctor. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within you. As you embrace gratitude, clarify your desires, and take continuous confident action, you are unlocking your boundless potential. If you're hungry for more wisdom and transformative insights, check out our other videos and subscribe to stay connected. Until next time, may your journey be filled with abundance, growth, and the manifestation of your deepest desires. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.